In Peru, spider monkeys have the equivalent of a detox program. They come to this muddy spa to eat dirt. The mud contains kaolin, a neutralizing clay used to treat our own stomach upsets. Peccaries, a kind of pig, visit this jungle pharmacy for the same medicinal treatment. So do parrots. The leaves and fruits of rainforest trees are poisonous. A daily dose of clay detoxifies these meals. A full health spa attracts hunters. Cats have their own tastes in medicines. Just as pet cats eat grass, large cats like jaguars eat leaves. When regurgitated, they cleanse their digestive system. But, like catnip, some plants induce other effects. Yaji is one of the commonest rainforest vines. It seems to cause playful, kittenish behavior. But could something deeper be happening? The vines are used by forest people in their hallucinogenic rituals. They take them to enhance their senses and gain the jaguar's hunting power. They believe the jaguar also takes yaji to heighten its senses when it hunts. Like so much of weird nature, there is still so much to know. In the Arctic Circle, this fungus also has magical associations with animals. Fly agaric contains hallucinogenic chemicals and is a favorite food of reindeer. For thousands of years, the lives of reindeer and Sami people have been entwined. Fly agaric was important to both of them. In autumn, reindeer seek out the mushrooms, even under an early fall of snow. No one knows whether the reindeer are affected, but in the past, Sami shamans took fly agaric in their visionary rituals. They even drank urine from reindeer, believed to be under the influence. In trance, they contacted the great reindeer spirit. On humans, the drug heightens senses and creates visions of flying. Some believe the greatest of all modern myths arose in the Sami's visionary flights of fancy. Perhaps early 19th century ideas drew on these stories to create a Christmas legend. Weird Nature explored strange animal behavior against settings of modern myths and human lives. It began by revealing the odd ways that some animals move. But compared with nature's movements, our two-legged walking is one of the oddest on the planet. Animals have many devious defenses. But we have no natural defenses at all. Some animals have fantastic ways to catch prey, but we need artificial help to catch ours. Creatures have struck up strange partnerships, but we depend on more animal partners than any other. There are fish that change sex, and males that give birth. But biologically, most of our breeding habits are strange. All in all, we are one of nature's strangest animals. We are Weird Nature. There is another way that we are unique. Our imagination can conjure up the most fanciful creatures. But science has shown us that even these have roots in reality. Giant octopus have been found with tentacles that span over 30 feet. When science separated myth from reality, it found that real creatures had fed our fertile imagination. But whatever our minds dream up, science is stranger than myth.